Today, I'll be sharing my complete Blackhead, Whitehead, and Sebaceous filament removal routine. I'll walk you through what has worked for me, what hasn't, and my go-to products. To show real results, I haven't deep cleaned my pores for the past 2 weeks. You might not see everything clearly on camera, so here's a close-up shot of my nose. The redness you see is mostly due to hormonal acne and stress. Because, let's be real, our skin isn't always perfect. Now, let's jump right in. Step 1. Daily pore cleansing with oil cleansing. One of the most effective ways to cleanse pores is through oil cleansing. You've probably heard this before, but trust me, it works. I use Anua's Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. And no, this video isn't sponsored. I genuinely love this product because it pulls sebum out like nothing else. If you have sensitive skin, they also have a gentler version. However, even with my dry, thin, and sensitive skin, I find the original formula works just fine without irritation. How to use it? For best results, cleanse after a shower or use a steam towel to open up your pores. 1. Apply the oil and gently massage your T-zone for about 3 minutes. No more, as overdoing it can irritate your skin. 2. Focus on rolling over each pore instead of just rubbing the surface. 3. Rinse with lukewarm water to emulsify the oil for better cleansing. Step 2. Alternative: jojoba oil for blackheads. Another effective method is using jojoba oil. Since it closely resembles human sebum, it helps melt away blackheads. Many dermatologists swear by it. However, a word of caution: it can break some people out. I personally stopped using it because of this, but if your skin tolerates it well, try using it 2 to 3 times a week instead of daily. Step 3. Double cleansing with a gentle foaming cleanser. After oil cleansing, it's important to follow up with a mild foaming cleanser. I use Anua's Heartleaf Foaming Cleanser because it's non-drying and removes impurities without irritating sensitive skin. Pro tip: if you notice tiny white bits on the surface of your nose after cleansing, use a Q-tip to gently remove them. You can also use toner pads, but this method works surprisingly well. Step 4. Weekly deep cleansing with a clay mask. For a deeper clean, I use a Pore clay mask once a week. Here are my recommendations based on skin type. Oily skin. Benefits Pore clay mask. Super effective at absorbing oil, but can be drying. Dry sensitive skin. Beauty of Joseon's Red Bean Pore clay mask. Gentle, non-drying, and soothing. Step 5. Professional grade pore extraction at home. When I visited a dermatologist in Korea, they used a treatment called aqua peel, a suction device infused with AHA and BHA to deeply cleanse pores. At home, I replicate this using my own pore vacuum, not the same brand, but similar. Before using it, 1. Prep your skin with exfoliating toner pads. I prefer Some by My Pore pads. 2. Apply a pore tightening ampule. I use Tone 28 Green Tomato Pore Lifting Ampule. 2. Adjust the suction level based on your skin's tolerance, starting low and increasing if needed. After using the device, you might notice some redness, but it fades quickly. 6. Exfoliation, chemical versus physical scrubs. Step 6. Exfoliation, chemical versus physical scrubs. Exfoliation is key to keeping pores clear, but it's important to choose the right type for your skin. Chemical exfoliation, AHAs, like glycolic acid, and BHAs, like salicylic acid, dissolve dead skin cells without physical abrasion. 1. Best for acne-prone and sensitive skin. 2. Products: Paula's Choice BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Some by Me AHA BHA PHA Toner. Physical exfoliation: scrubs or peeling gels manually remove dead skin, but can be harsh if overused. 1. Best for normal to oily skin. Use with caution. 2. Products: Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Cure Natural Aqua Gel. Tip: stick to 2 to 3 times a week to avoid over-exfoliation. Step 7. Pore tightening and hydration. After deep cleaning, it's crucial to shrink your pores and restore moisture. Toning and hydration. Hydrated skin produces less oil, reducing blackheads. 1. Best products: Annua Heartleaf 77% Toner, Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Toner. Pore tightening treatments. These help reduce oil buildup and maintain smooth skin. 2. Best products: Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Tightening Serum, The Ordinary Niacinamide 10%. Step 8. Lifestyle and diet tips for clearer pores. Your skincare routine matters, but internal factors also play a huge role in blackhead prevention. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps regulate oil production. 1. Eat less dairy and sugar. These can trigger excess oil and clogged pores. 2. Manage stress. High cortisol levels can increase sebum production. 3. Change your pillowcases frequently. Dirt and bacteria can transfer to your skin. Step 9. Steam and blackhead extraction. Do it safely. Steaming helps open pores, making it easier to remove blackheads without damaging the skin. How to steam properly. 1. Boil water and let it cool slightly. Place your face over the steam, 8 to 10 inches away, for 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Pat your skin dry and proceed with extraction or treatments. Safe blackhead. Extraction. 1. Use a Comdone extractor. Disinfect it first. 2. Gently press around the blackhead. Don't force it if it doesn't come out easily. 3. Follow up with a calming toner, like witch hazel, and a hydrating moisturizer. Avoid squeezing with your nails. This can cause scarring and infection. Step 10. Nighttime repair. Heal and prevent blackheads while you sleep. Your nighttime routine plays a crucial role in blackhead prevention. Must-have nighttime treatments: retinoids, vitamin A, speed up cell turnover, preventing clogged pores. Best products: Differin Gel, The Ordinary Retinol, 0.5%. Hydration. A good moisturizer keeps skin balanced and prevents overproduction of oil. Best products: CeraVe PM Moisturizer, Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Silk pillowcases. Reduce friction and bacteria buildup that can clog pores overnight. Tip: apply retinoids only at night and always use SPF in the morning. Final thoughts. This is my complete blackhead and pore cleansing routine. I keep my daily steps gentle and only go in for deeper treatments once a week to avoid irritation. If you try any of these methods, let me know your experience in the comments.